Hello students, Math 7th class here we study. Topic decimal. In decimal we learn about multiplication of decimal. So students, let me see question number 1 to 3 of exercise 3.1. So this is first question A part. So A part is this 94 multiplied decimal 6 multiplied 11. So here we find out the product. So 11 6 66, take carry 6, 11 4 44 and 6 50 0 and carry 5, 11 9 99 and 5 104. So 104 we can write this, and here the situation is of putting out the decimal. So putting out the decimal, this is the one place after. So here we count the place of, this is one place, so we can put decimal here. So this is the answer, and same this way you can do. And after that multiplication in question second also given, by 10, by 100 and by thousands. So here you see the numbers once after that the 0 is given. So the decimals move out to the right hand sides. Let me see. This is the multiplication. We have to 619 multiplied by 10. So after multiplication, you see here students, we can write the one place here, the multiplication. So decimal move out here. So we can write this way. Otherwise you have to write same this way also, 61790, and after that 1 2 3 1 2 3. So we can put mark here. So either you can write this or either you can write this, but the answer is correct. So this is the BTEC's F part of this. So this is F part we can take of question number second. So 473 points, 473.6 multiplied 1000. So I have told you students, in multiplication mark, that is decimal 6. So when you get no number here, so you can put 0. So we can write this 473,600 here. So after that you can write here, this is the answer, and otherwise you can write here 473,600, and after writing this multiplication we have to put decimal, so we can put here. So after that we also write this number as this, so we can multiply it by changing the place of decimal. So in question 3 also multiplication. So here you see students, C part we can take. So C part, that is 18.75 multiplied 0.002. So here we can write multiplied here 2 5 10, 0 2 7 14 and 1 5, 2 8 16 and 1 17, 2 1 2 or 1 3. So after that you see students, the total number of decimal we have to calculate. So here 1 2 3, after 3 decimal here, and here 1 2. So after 4 numbers the decimal is coming. So we move forward 1, 2, 3, 4, and after that the 5 number is not given, so B can take here 0. So after that the decimal put here. So this is question number 3. And this is the question number 4. Without actual multiplication, we have to move forward about the decimal. So you can do yourself, otherwise we can take question number 4. If 2.65 multiplied 39.7 equal to 105.205. Without actual multiplication, evaluate. So here you see, this is given. First part, that is A equal to 2.65 multiplied 397. So we have not to do here multiplied because the value is already given. What the situation is this, at which place we have to mark, put decimal. So the value is given, that is 105.205. This is given, and here you see decimal 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit you have to put decimal in this number, and here decimal number 1, 2, 1, 2. It means to say total 4 number. So we have to find out 1, 2, 3, 4. So here decimal put 10.5205, that is answer. So same this way you can put the decimal. We can take C part. C part is 2.65 multiplied 0, 0, 0 and 397. So here you see students, the value is already given here, 105.205. This is value given here, and the situation we have to put the decimal mark. So here you see 1 and 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 2, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after that you can increase 0. So decimal comes here. So this is the value of C part. And you can do D part, B part. And same this way, evaluate question number 5. The cost, and 6th question, the cost of 1 meter cloth is 150.50. What is the cost of 4 to 5 meter cloth? So here you have to make multiplication here. So same this way you have to make multiplication. So this is the situations you can do yourself in exercise. And after that exercise 3.2. So 3.2 in exercise, that is divides. So we can make here exercise 3.2. So this is division. So division you can take, that is 7. First questions, part 1. 7.2 by 4. So this is, we can write this 7.2 over 4. It means to say that is 414, and we put decimal here, and 4 8 32. So this is answer 1.8. Same this way you can do this. And seconds, you see, find the quadrant. Find the quadrant. So A parts here, 14 to 3 divide 10. So students, I have told you about that, about this division. This is, we can make 10 1 10 4 and 10 4, and we put decimal here, and same this way 10 2 and 10 3. So we can write this same this way, students. So here one thing you have to notice, in division the decimal mark moves from right to left, and multiplication moves decimal from left to right. So this equation you have to notice. So same this way you can do. Sohail travel 11.05 kilometer in 17 minutes. By scooter, how much distance will it travel in 19.5 minutes? So you have to make first divide, and after that you have to make multiply. And after that, students, you see exercise 3.3. So 3.3 in exercise, simplify you have to do. 2.5 divide 0.5 plus 4 multiplied 2.5. So students, this types of sums you want to solve. So first you have to do one thing. So you know about the BODMAS formula. So this is BODMAS formula. So in BODMAS formula you have to make. So this is, you have to remove of the bracket, and after that division, after that multiplication, addition and subtractions. So here we see first, that is division, because here is not given brackets. So first divisions, so we put divide here. So from decimal same mark, so 5 times, and after that 4 multiplied 2.5, and here you see we have to do multiply after that. So 5 plus 100 and decimal here, so 10 and 5 15. So after that we made addition. So this is the way of solving simplification of question. So this is the exercise ends of 3.3. So first we have discussed about 3.1, second 3.2, and after that 3.3. If you can feel any kinds of problems here, students, so you can send me message and write me any query on my WhatsApp number 9897479788.